Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat. I neutralize, I destroy, I fix. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but nengani.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke bale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho ngani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Must slow down, apparently. Hi, guys. Hi. Listen, I'm sorry to ambush you. I've got a YouTube channel, right? I go around asking couples questions. Is it fine if I ask you guys questions?
Wait. What type of questions, maybe?
Like a couples quiz. How well do you know each other?
Like our favorite color kind of quiz?
Yeah.
Sure.
That's fine. All right, name?
I'm Charmaine.
And
I'm Elton.
how long have you been together?
Like 1.5 year, yeah, roughly.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
All right, still going strong?
yeah, very, very strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, do you trust Elton?
I do.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
7.
Where's the 3, girl?
Well, he's a guy.
He's a guy.
I can't give him a 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that? You're a guy, she can't give you a 10.
Oh, well, I feel a little bit bad because, I expected to trust me like 100%. But then it's okay. It's okay.
And you've never given her reason to not trust you?
No, I've never. I
Uh-huh.
don't remember giving her any. Nah.
Okay, do you trust her on a scale of 1 to 10?
Maybe 9.
Oh,
Yeah.
9.
Yeah, 9. Let me
9.
just live though. I mean, just in case, because you never know. She's
Yeah,
a girl
1 for
too.
disappointment.
Yeah, for disappointment.
Yeah.
She's a girl too, so I cannot be 100% sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, how comfortable are you guys with each other?
I'd say very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Yeah.
He's seen you at your ugliest, crustiest, everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yes.
All right. What about you?
Well, very, very comfortable.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, pretty much.
I mean, 1 year and 6 months is a lot, right?
It's been
Yeah,
long.
it's a lot.
Yeah.
It's been long. Yes.
All right. For the 1 year and 6 months, have you guys ever gone through each other's phones?
In secret?
Oh, yes. Have you?
No, I'm not saying I haven't.
Oh, so you have.
Only once.
When?
We were just going through a rough patch, and I was like curious to find out what was going on with
When
him.
was this?
Like 11, 12 months into the relationship.
Oh, okay. She's gone through your
Wow.
phone. Did you find anything?
No,
You didn't.
fortunately.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
He was clean.
He was clean.
He was.
Yeah. How do you feel finding out today that she's gone through your phone?
Well,
Shook.
a little bit, but then okay. Okay. I found out that okay, there is this part in her that doesn't trust me.
Yeah.
But then I was like, okay, fine, let me just let her be, okay.
Yeah.
Find whatever that she wanna find in my phone, and then it's cool. I mean, whatever
Okay.
that she's gonna find or whatever that she's not gonna find, I was just cool with anything. Yeah, so
Yeah. Okay. Have you gone through her phone?
well, because I trust her, I mean, I've never thought she might be like, doing all those cheating stuff on me. I respect her. I respect her phone. I respect her privacy. So I always don't find any reason for me to go through her phone. I mean, invade her privacy and
Yeah.
stuff. So I don't go through her phone.
But would you want to if you were given the opportunity?
Well, I cannot say no. I
You
cannot
cannot say no,
Yeah,
ne?
yeah.
How do you feel about that?
Would
Would you give him your phone to check?
mine?
Yeah.
Why?
Why not?
Well, because it's
You've
a
gone through
it's,
his phone.
but It's private. It's a phone. I think I was wrong for going through his phone, but I think it's personal. I
But
shouldn't have people
you've
going
told
through your
him
phone.
now, so don't you think it's fair that he also checks yours? It's out in the open, so you might as well. You've checked his phone and you found it clean, right?
Yes.
I think it's only fair that he gets a chance to check yours as well.
Can't he do it in private when I don't know that he's doing it?
Wow. Elton, how do you feel? I feel like your girlfriend is acting dodgy. Elton, you're acting dodgy.
Okay,
I?
okay, okay.
Charmaine,
Okay, let me
It's
ask.
just uncomfortable.
Well, are you hiding something? I don't know. I mean,
Yes.
No,
you look
there's
like you're hiding something.
There's nothing for me to hide.
yeah.
Then?
I just don't feel comfortable with him going through my phone.
I don't know what to say. I don't know how to feel.
Well, I don't know what you say either. I mean, it seems like are you hiding something in that
It
phone?
seems like you're hiding
No,
something.
no.
Then prove that you're not hiding anything.
Yeah.
At this point, we're gonna need you to prove that you're not hiding anything.
But does he not trust me enough to
No,
believe
he
that?
doesn't. No, he doesn't.
It's clean. It's
Charmaine,
very clean.
Come on.
And your phone. Let her check yours as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Nice cover, girl.
Thank you.
This is cute.
There you go.
All right. Okay, we'll start with yours. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Passcode, please. Okay. All right. Go to her WhatsApp.
What's up? Okay.
Okay. Type "I love you."
Are you okay?
Charmaine.
No, I do send messages like that to my mom and sisters.
Okay, then we'll find your mom and sisters. It shouldn't be a problem.
Okay. I love you.
Then scroll.
Wait. Louis.
Who's Louis?
Who is
Louis. He's my ex. We dated way back before I met you.
Why do you love him? This is recent.
I think I was drunk when I sent the message.
So you drunk texting your ex?
Maybe my friend did it when we were drinking. I don't think it was me.
Wow.
When was this? When was the message sent?
This doesn't look like you were drunk. I mean, you have recent messages. What's going on between you and Louis?
Nothing. He's just my ex. There's nothing going on between us. I swear. I promise.
Hi, do you want to call him? I think we should call Louis.
Sure. He's my ex. You can call. If you don't trust me that much, you can go ahead and
Okay,
call.
let's call him.
Okay. All right, number please. Okay. Sorry, please hold my mic. Oh, Louis.
This mailbox is full and cannot accept any more messages at this time.
Where's her phone? Please put in your passcode again. So Louis is not answering,
Yes.
and you saying there's nothing going on.
Yeah.
Please go into the media and check what kind of pictures they're sending each other and when they sent those pictures. Charmaine, can we have space? Oh, Sana, Louis. What are they sending each other? Oh, Charmaine. Sibone izinto up.
This mailbox
So you,
Sibone izinto
Okay.
up. When did she send it, the nude?
That was like last night.
Yo.
Baby,
So you
I see. It's my. I swear that's not me. I'm not the one who sent the picture.
Oh.
It must have been my friend. I told you yesterday when I was chilling with her. Remember? I think that's when she did it. It wasn't me.
She never sends me these kind of pictures.
But you never asked.
So you still love Lewis, basically.
No, I don't.
Charmaine, we're not kids. You sent Lewis a nude here last night. We're not children.
Okay, we were.
You drunk texted him as well. When women are drunk, they drunk text people they love. So you still love Lewis. You just need a confession.
No,
now.
just
we're,
tell
we're
the
not
truth.
kids. We're
Just
not
tell the
kids.
truth.
We're not children.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, carry on.
Yes, I do love Louis.
Thank you. You still love your ex. Wena, yeah, you lose.
He's a good guy. I mean, but Louis is my first love.
Yeah.
He's
Just hold the phone.
Okay. So I've been your fool all this time. Like I've been your fool.
no.
Do
It's-
you want Lewis back? Because it looks like you want Lewis back.
Do I get like time to think about it?
Think about what?
Whether I should keep both?
No. There's nothing for you to think about. I mean, if you really love me, there wouldn't be any reason for you to keep thinking about me and some other guy. No, it's obviously him. It's obviously Louis.
What if it
There's
was-
nothing to
what if
think
it was
about. I
gonna
mean,
be
just go to
you?
your Louis.
It's gonna be you. I'm gonna choose you. I promise.
You gonna?
Yes, I choose you.
You are probably saying that because Louis is not here, right? If this was Louis, you're gonna say, "I choose you, Louis."
No. Louis is my ex. I'll get over him. I'll do it for you, baby. I love you.
Yeah. Hectic.
Now it's hard for me to believe when you tell me you love me. I mean,
But I do. A lot. Cause you're a good guy.
what about Louis? What is he?
Also a good guy.
Louis is fun. I'm not saying you're boring.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not saying you're boring. Louis is just.
Passcode, please. Clearly. I don't know what you're gonna do.
Okay.
I don't know what you're gonna do. You're a nice Charmaine.
Yes.
Ferb. Go to WhatsApp. Okay. Type I love you. That's you, right?
Yes. This is me. This is all me.
Yeah. Delete. Type babe. Yeah, you.
It's all me.
Delete. Type I miss you. Yes, sigh in guilt. Okay. Delete and type pregnant. Clean as well. Okay. Morning after pill. Yeah, clean. Alright, delete type last night.
It's all me again.
Yeah. Yo, Sana. Do you have Instagram or Facebook?
Yeah, I do.
Both.
Yeah.
Alright, go out and then let's go to Instagram. DMs.
Yeah.
Alright, just scroll. If there's anything dodgy, we go in.
Who's Nelisa?
Go into the DM.
Business meeting.
Clean.
You
Yeah.
didn't tell me about a business meeting.
But it's a business meeting. There's no I don't see any flirting. Or are you trying to find something?
I'm just
I don't see anything dodgy.
okay. It looks clean. He's clean. Everything looks.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go out and let's go to Facebook.
Facebook. Okay.
Okay, the inbox. Yo, I don't see anything.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. The man is not cheating. He's passed the loyalty test. So it's up to you guys to decide. I don't know what you're gonna do, Al.
No, really. I mean, it's clear now. You gave me a very big reason not to trust you. I mean, I've trusted you all this time. I mean, we've got more than 1 year. But now, you've been with you, Louis, for, like, I don't know. So what is it going to be?
You still want her to choose? So if she chooses you, you're gonna stay?
Are you gonna stay?
That's if she promises me that she's going to fix her ways. Because I cannot be, like, sharing my girl. No, I don't share a girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if it's Louis, let it be Louis. If it's me, let it be me. No one
Period.
else. Because I've always thought it was you and me.
Charmaine?
And from now on, it will be you and me. I will break up with Louis, and I will stay loyal to you. I promise.
Yeah. I think you should do it now. Get her to break up with Louis today. Right? So that at least you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go then. I'm sorry to ruin your day.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. Alright, you guys can go about your business. I, Jolani Asnamona, one thing about us. Alright, that is it from me. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _ See you later.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but Nengan.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho ngani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?